of course, it's expensive to get into it, but you're not the only one paying for everything. There's going to be 10, 12, 15 students in this course, and they will split the cost throughout the course to buy all the pipe, buy all the plate, and do all that, right? So that's one of the benefits, is if you have no idea how to do it, that is a good place to start. So testing.
Yeah, testing. I think that's another good thing about school is at least my school, every week or multiple times throughout the week, we'd take tests, whatever position we were working on.